Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Our rims just showed up, or my rims just showed up after a 14-week wait, so we're gonna get them offloaded on the truck and pulled into the garage. Could you set them over here? Just kind of like right here. Right there. Yeah.
You want it long ways?
Yeah, you can just set them like long ways.
You want to take a look at those two top ones?
Yeah.
Make sure they're good. Doing all right today?
Yeah, man, how about yourself?
Oh, pretty good. Ready for the weekend.
I hear you. I've been waiting for these dang things for like 15 weeks, man.
No doubt.
Yeah.
They custom made or?
Yeah, well, they make them to order, and they're just to the point where they're so backed up
Right.
that it's just, you gotta. Get that water all over.
I'm going to take this out and just dump it.
Here we go, guys. Woo!
Oh man, those are awesome.
They look good.
Holy, is that going on this Dodge?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so as you see, the wheels have arrived. They are a 24 by 14, -90 offset American Force Morphs. Obviously, we're going to be mounting them on our tires over there, 375 40R24 Toyo open country MTs. And man, I am freaking pumped. So I've waited for these wheels. I ordered them October 20th. They got here today. So today is Friday, I think it's January 29th. I know they were on a backlog of wheels for the simple fact during, the whole coronavirus, the actual moving from Florida to South Carolina. And from what I heard from my buddy Josh over at Dirty Diesels was they cut their staff by like 60%. They didn't fire anybody, but the move, a lot of people didn't carry over. So from Florida to South Carolina. So I've been waiting forever for these wheels. I feel like it's Christmas time. I finally got them here. I'm not sure when I'm gonna get them mounted and put on the truck. I have a buddy that I'm actually gonna trust doing that. So he is not working this weekend. He's probably gonna work next weekend. Plus, we don't know if we have to add the leveling kit that I got here from Wicked Trucks and or the bumper spacers if I need those as well. So he's pretty good at doing all the trimming and everything like that. And with me being limited with my arm or my shoulder, I can't really do too much either. So we're kind of gonna knock out a whole bunch in our next video. We're gonna do the Synergy drag link. Wheels and tires are gonna get mounted up and installed on the truck, and yeah, pretty much whole new stance of the truck. So I'm pretty excited. I don't know how much we're gonna have to cut or trim in the wheel wells. The tires measure out to be a 36.1 by 14.8, but they should work. It's just the offset that's gonna get us. So I did get some shock extensions if I need them. They're billet pieces. I ordered a little while ago off of eBay for the dual shocks up front, but we'll see what we need to use. I just bought everything just in case we had to have it. You know what I mean? I didn't want to be up against a corner waiting for a $50 part when I could just actually have it on hand when the time comes to get everything mounted. So like I said, guys, I'm excited. I'm pumped. You see the boxes all came on a pallet, nicely wrapped up. And then if you see over here, somehow this wheel got shipped to my house from American Force. We're in the process of working and getting that sent back. It appears to be a 28 by 16. Somebody's just dyslexic, but I can't even open it. So I'm waiting for Josh at Dirty Diesels to get back to me. He didn't ship this to me. American Force shipped it to me. They dropped the ball on that. What we think they did is they dropped a packing slip. I'm not going to show them up close because it's got my address and everything, but that packing slip was supposed to go on these wheels right here, but accidentally made it onto this wheel right here. And so we're trying to figure out where this wheel goes, where it belongs, and we'll go from there. But yes, the wheels are here and I'm pumped. All right, just another up close look, guys. I got the American Force emblem right here. I got the American Force right here, and I decided to go with the smooth lip. As you guys can see, there's no rivets. I did that for just the simplicity of it, and it'll be able to be easier to clean, easier to polish as well when I gotta clean it all up. So I am freaking happy. I'm pumped. So you guys see the design, man. These things come out looking really good, nice and polished. It is freaking awesome. So when I placed the order for the wheels, I got new valve stems, and then I also went and got new PTMS sensors. I'm wearing gloves because I'm about to put the wheels back in the box, but you look at here, I got the new TPMS sensors. I just ordered a brand new set for the simple fact that they said that, you know, these things, mine are 7 years old, so I figured I'm just gonna leave them in there with the current set of wheels, and these are just gonna be placed in here. I'm gonna see if I can swap out the actual valve stem for a chrome one, and it'll match everything else, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there and we get them mounted up. But yeah, I just recommend getting all new stuff for them when you order your wheels. You know, $5 valve stem covers off of Amazon. And I'm also waiting on some spike lug nuts that are coming, so those will be here. They're going to be the chrome ones just to match the wheels. Those should be here any day. All right, guys, that's gonna be just a little quick video I wanted to make for you guys today. I've literally been waiting forever for these things to show up, so finally got here. If you guys are looking for American Force wheels, I highly recommend hitting up Josh over at Dirty Diesels. They're out of Reading, Pennsylvania. They can ship anywhere, so awesome prices, very competitive. It is the best prices I found, so highly recommend hitting those guys up if you guys are interested in these wheels. I know there is a long wait, but it is worth it. So some of the people that are on like Marketplace or Craigslist or OfferUp or whatever, they're asking the same price for these wheels as what they are new, or what I paid for them. I'm not gonna disclose that information. It was a lot of money, trust me, but it's still the best deal I found. I mean, it even beats like those websites like Custom Offsets and things like that. So very happy with the wheels. I'm stoked to put them on, and our next video you guys will see will be these wheels on the truck and it looking awesome. So appreciate you guys watching once again. If you guys haven't been here before, make sure you get down there, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. So once again, appreciate each and every single one of you guys. Until then, we'll see you on the next upload. Have a good one.